Well, Assalamu alaikum. Today I wanted to talk about a concept project and this concept project is about a concept of hydraulic buildings, of big towers and how it works. But before we start to talk about the concept itself of hydraulic buildings, I wanted to talk about the origin of the concept and where it come from. So let's start, and I'm going to stretch the idea. The concept came from the brain, cerebral fluid, and the brain, and how they interact, and how this liquid plays a big role in making a mass of nearly 1.5 kilogram, weightless, and make a person, human being, stressless. So if we look at the earthquakes, the problem, of the big problem of earthquakes are the way of the buildings, from the buildings materials. So basically, what the thing are made, what the buildings are made. So if we can reduce the weight of the building, of the big building, we will be able to save tall and heavy building from damages and, from earthquake damages. So if we use the concept of the brain in the cerebral fluid, how it works, we can reduce the weight of building. So the concept is to build a building that sits on sodium chloride, and the sodium chloride will reduce the weight of the heavy buildings, and it will reduce the damage that earthquake can cause by 10 times than normal buildings. But we will need to change this liquid, this sodium chloride as a maintenance. And I hope my concept of hydraulic buildings was understood. And thank you for listening. And you have a nice day. And كثروا من السباحة. You have a nice day. Assalamu alaikum.